Hi there, my name is Danny Singh. I'm an English as a second language teacher for adult immigrant students. Today I'm going to teach you the difference between the present progressive tense and the simple present tense. What am I doing? What am I doing? Does anybody know what am I doing? I am drinking water. What's the verb in this sentence? What's the verb? The verb is normally the action word. In this sentence, what is the action word? That's right. Drinking is the verb. Drinking. Anytime the verb ends with ing, anytime the verb ends with ing, the verb is in the present progressive tense. Okay. Present progressive means the action is happening now. I am drinking water now. Okay. So again, the present progressive tense means the action is happening right now. The verb always ends with ing. Okay. Other examples: talking, walking, running. See, any verb that ends with ing, the action is happening right now, present progressive. I am drinking water is not the same as I drink water. Does anyone know the difference between I am drinking water and I drink water? What's the difference? So I am drinking water. Again, the action is happening right now. Present progressive. I drink water is not present progressive. It is simple present. I drink water is a habit or a routine. A habit or a routine is something you do every day. I drink water, but that doesn't mean I'm drinking water right now, okay? You can say, I drink water every day. I drink water only on Saturdays. But you see, I drink water is present simple. There's no ing with the verb. However, present progressive, you must use ing with the verb, okay? Any questions about this? I'd like to show you a small presentation. I'm putting the link to this presentation on the Zoom chat. Okay. Again, present progressive, also called present continuous. Present progressive is also called present continuous. It has ing with the verb. Simple present does not have ing. This presentation will show you some usages of present continuous and simple present. Okay. So again, we use simple present for actions that happen repeatedly. It's a habitual action, something that happens every day, general or permanent situations or facts. We use the present continuous, also called the present progressive, when the situation is happening right now. For example, what am I doing? I am drinking water. What am I doing? I am dancing. Okay. So these are some examples of the simple present. Tom goes fishing every week. See, every week, this is a habit or a routine. I usually work until 2 p.m. My family comes to visit me every year. So usually we use simple present when the sentence has always, never, usually, rarely, sometimes, or often. Again, simple present does not have ing at the end of the verb. The verbs are goes, work, and comes. See, these verbs don't have ing. Okay. Again, we use simple present for general or permanent situations or facts. Present continuous. The verb ends with ing. Okay. See, where's Tom? He's playing soccer. The implication is now. See, playing. Don't bother the kids. They are doing their homework. See, doing has ing. We often use present continuous and not simple present when the action continues over a period of time. I'm working 50 hours this week. She's taking an Italian class this semester. This year, I'm trying to cut back on junk food. Any questions so far? So simple present, again, it does not have ing at the end of the verb. I work, you work, we work, they work. No ing. This action is not happening now. For he, she, it, we need to put S at the end of the verb. I cannot explain why. This is something you need to memorize. Always, when the subject is he, she, it, we add S at the end of the verb. The verb is the action word. In this situation, work is the verb, the action word. Okay. With present continuous, we need to use the verb to be. I am teaching. He is teaching. They are teaching. Teaching is the present progressive verb. I put it on the Zoom chat. I am teaching. Teaching is the present progressive verb that ends with ing. Okay. For the negative, for simple present, it's I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't. For he, she, it's doesn't. He doesn't smoke. He doesn't drink. Okay. You use doesn't or don't with the simple form of the verb for negative. So for present continuous, you need I am plus the verb in ing. Okay, let's do some exercise problems. They normally blank lunch at 2. Should we use the present simple or the present progressive? So for number 1, the answer is they normally have lunch at 2. They normally have lunch at 2. We don't use ing because this is a habit, a routine. We don't say they normally having lunch at 2. No, that's wrong. Number 2, does anyone know? Okay. So number 2 is present progressive. Number 2 is, are you working in Paris this week? Are you working in Paris this week? So are is the verb to be. Whenever we have are, we need to use present progressive, okay? Number 3, does anyone know? Should we use simple present or present progressive? Good. Number 3 is simple present. You buy new clothes every Saturday. Okay. We don't use you buying. No. Because again, ing is when the action is happening now. In this situation, it's only every Saturday. So this is a habit, a routine. Okay. Please complete this worksheet and let me know when you finish. Please ask me questions. I'm right here. And also you can use your cell phone and take a picture of the questions if you want. I put a link to this worksheet on the Zoom chat.